Hello all! In this tutorial, we will compare different enterprise integration services provided by AWS and by Azure. For easy understanding, we have compared the services around different service areas, such as Enterprise App Integration. Service description provides out-of-the-box cloud to an on-premises trading partner management and line-of-business application integration for SAP, Oracle, SQL Server, and WebSphere MQ. Enterprise Application Services. Service description. Dynamics 365 delivers the full spectrum of CRM through 5 individual apps: sales, customer service, field service, project service automation, and marketing that work seamlessly together. Fully integrated cloud service providing communications, email, document management in the cloud and available on a wide variety of devices. Content management in cloud. Service description provides a collaborative way for individuals, teams, and organizations to intelligently discover, share, and collaborate on content from anywhere and on any device. Commercial PaaS, IaaS, DBaaS framework. Service description: a hybrid cloud platform that lets you deliver Azure services from your organization's data center. So let's first talk about the first service area, that is Enterprise App Integration. AWS provides no services for now. Azure provides Azure Logic App. Let's talk about the second service area, that is Enterprise Application Services. AWS provides Amazon Work Mail, Amazon Work Docs. Azure provides Dynamic 365, Office 365. Let's talk about the third service area, that is Content Management in Cloud. AWS provides no services for now. Azure provides SharePoint Online. Let's talk about the fourth service area, that is Commercial PaaS, IaaS, DBaaS framework. AWS provides no services for now. Azure provides Azure Stack.